Here's a tour of the Hobbs Street Rail Crossing in Athens, Alabama. There's also a Bryant unit right there at that church. It's currently off because it's COVID-19 right now. Oh, what's that over there? Something though. But first off, this signal has a modern industries base. Got some LED lights. Nothing much at this crossing. This is a pretty dangerous crossing because this is a rather big street with just two mass signals. Yep, the bell's a GS type one. One of those turned on. I've done one of those crossings before. With that one right there, it's Bryant Street. Want to get over so. I don't think so. Hopefully something comes. Hope I hear something when I head on to the last cross. Well, I wonder what's over there, but I'm not going back there because of the COVID-19. It's probably private property. Look at that with my. There's a briar. Looks behind it would be some old packaging or whatever. Not sure what those are. This church has pretty weird air conditioning. That was the tour of the Hobbs Street Rail Crossing in Athens, Alabama. Over.